Jamie at shopmasc.com, and welcome to another MASC Minute. So I have another new product from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare to show you today. This particular product is called their Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. It is a white bottle, which kind of deviates from their traditional packaging, which I actually really like. It's a really cool looking bottle, which is really irrelevant to the effectiveness of the product. What is also, well, not entirely irrelevant, but smells really amazing too. So most of the Dr. Dennis Gross products have no scent at all, but this particular one actually smells really, really good. And I'm assuming it's the inclusion of a whole bunch of different fruit and plant extracts. So it has things like bergamot, peach, lemon, cranberry, a whole bunch of other things that I can't remember right now, but a ton of different ingredients in it that give it this really cool smell that I quite like. So this product, it is a serum, as the name implies, but it can be used as a treatment all over the face or as a spot treatment. And what it does is it provides an instant sort of blurring or filtering effect, so it immediately makes your skin look a little bit clearer, smoother. But then it also helps to tackle existing issues relating to pores and pore size and skin congestion. And it does that with a few key ingredients. The first is the alpha-beta complex, which is basically a blend of different alpha and beta hydroxy acids. The alpha-beta peel is what Dr. Dennis Gross is most well known for, I would say. So the alpha-beta complex helps to encourage cell turnover, prevent the pores from getting clogged while firming and toning the skin at the same time. Other key ingredients are farnesol, which inhibits the growth of bacteria on the surface of the skin, thereby preventing further breakouts. And it also contains phytic acid pentasodium, which helps to dissolve the waxy plugs or the waxy buildup that occurs within the cell walls of the pores in your skin. So overall, it's going to help to just make the skin look clearer, prevent breakouts, minimize the size of pores, and just a great treatment for that sort of normal to oily skin type. So if you're looking for a nice innovative serum to use, check it out, shopmasc.com, the Dr. Dennis Gross Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. And if you're in Vancouver, come see it in the store. Thanks for listening.